In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to rich text in Webflow. If you want to make your blog posts, articles, or other long-form content more visual, adding images inside a rich text element is a simple and effective way to do it. Webflow makes this process very straightforward. Whether you're working with static content directly on the page or editing a rich text field inside a CMS collection. To get started, open your Webflow project and go to the page or collection item where your rich text content lives. If you're working with static content, locate the rich text block on your canvas and double-click it to begin editing. If your content is connected to the CMS, open the rich text field inside the appropriate collection item instead. The goal here is simply to enter the editing mode for that text area so you can place media exactly where you want it. Once you're inside the rich text editor, click your cursor into the text at the point where you want the image to appear. It helps to think about the image placement in terms of the reading experience. For example, you may want to place an image between paragraphs to break up content, support a point visually, or make the layout feel more engaging. After positioning your cursor, press Enter to create a new line. This gives the image its own space and helps keep the formatting clean. As soon as you create that new line, you'll see a plus icon appear next to it. This plus icon opens Webflow's Content Options menu, which is where you can insert additional elements directly into the rich text area. Go ahead and click that icon to reveal the available options. From the menu, click the image icon. Webflow will then prompt you to add your image. At this point, you can either drag and drop the image file into the uploader, or upload it from your computer manually. Choose the method that's most convenient for you, then wait for the image to upload and appear in the rich text content. Once the upload is complete, your image will be inserted right where you placed the cursor. If needed, you can review the placement to make sure it fits naturally within the surrounding text and maintains a clean reading flow. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.